Chapter 17 Kinetics of Rigid Bodies. Kinetics, it is the study of geometry of motion with reference to the cause of motion. Force and mass are considered. Kinetics of particle, it is the study of geometry of translation motion with reference to the cause of motion. Kinetics of rigid bodies, it is the study of geometry of translation or rotational or general plane motion with reference to the cause of motion. Note: for rectilinear acceleration, mass is a measure of the body's resistance. Similarly, for angular acceleration, mass moment of inertia is a measure of the body's resistance. Newton's second law of motion: the acceleration of a body is proportional to the resultant force acting on it and is in the direction of this force. F is equals to ma. This law forms the basis for motion analysis of rigid bodies. Translation motion, rectilinear motion, summation of forces in x is equals to max, summation of forces in y is equals to may, summation of moment is equals to 0. Curvilinear motion, summation of forces in tangential direction is equals to mat, summation of forces in normal direction is equals to man, summation of moment is equals to 0. Fixed axis rotation, centroidal rotational motion. If the axis of rotation passes through the center of gravity of the body, then it is said to perform centroidal rotational motion. Summation of forces in x is equals to 0, summation of forces in y is equals to 0, summation of moment about g is equals to ig into alpha, where summation of moment about g is the algebraic sum of moment of all the forces and couples acting on the rigid body about the center of rotation. Ig is the mass moment of inertia of the body about the axis of rotation. Alpha is the angular acceleration, and Ig multiplied by alpha is the inertia couple. Sign convention: moment of force in the direction of alpha is considered positive. Non-centroidal rotational motion: if the axis of rotation does not pass through the center of gravity of the body, then it is said to perform non-centroidal rotational motion. Summation of forces in tangential direction is equals to mat, which is given by mr alpha. Summation of forces in normal direction is equals to man, which is given by mr omega square. Summation of moment about o is equals to io into alpha. Formulae for mass moment of inertia: for straight rod, Ig is equals to 1 by 12 ml square, Io is equals to 1 by 3 ml square. For solid cylinder or disc, Ig is equals to 1 by 2 mr square, Io is equals to 3 by 2 mr square. For hollow cylinder, Ig is equals to 1 by 2 m multiplied by r1 square minus r2 square, Io is equals to Ig plus m r1 square. For ring or hoop or thin drum, Ig is equals to mr square, Io is equals to 2mr square. For sphere, Ig is equals to 2 by 5 mr square, Io is equals to 7 by 5 mr square. For non-uniform or non-homogeneous rigid bodies, I is equals to mk square, where k is the radius of gyration. Compound body: if two or more than two regular rigid bodies are rigidly connected to each other, then I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus dot 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 plus In. Procedure to solve problems: identify the number of particles and rigid bodies in the given system and their direction of motion. Obtain the kinematic relation, that is relationship between acceleration of different particles and the rigid bodies. Consider the free body diagram of each particle and the rigid body. Apply Newton's second law. Find the required unknowns. Note: if omega is not given, then consider it as 0. Plane motion. Plane motion is a combination of pure translation and centroidal rotation. Summation of forces in x direction is equals to max. Summation of forces in y direction is equals to may. Summation of moment about g is equals to ig into alpha. Note: if the rigid body rolls without slipping on stationary surface, then consider its non-centroidal rotation at the point of contact with the stationary surface. Work energy principle. Work energy principle: total work done is equals to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Force in the spring is equals to F is equals to K into X. Work done by spring force W is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by K multiplied by x1 square minus x2 square. Kinetic energy of rigid body in translation motion is given by half into m into Vg square, where Vg is the velocity of mass center. Kinetic of rigid body in rotational motion is given by 1 by 2 I omega square. For centroidal rotation, T is equals to 1 by 2 Ig into omega square. For non-centroidal rotation, T is equals to 1 by 2 Io into omega square. Kinetic energy of rigid body in plane motion, T is equals to kinetic energy due to translation of center of gravity plus kinetic energy due to rotation at the center of gravity. T is equals to 1 by 2 m Vg square plus 1 by 2 Ig omega square. Mass moment of inertia. For a body of mass m, the resistance to rotation about the axis AA dash is I is equals to r1 square delta m1 plus r2 square delta m2 plus r3 square delta m3 plus dot dot dot, which is equals to integration r square dm is equals to mass moment of inertia. The radius of gyration for a concentrated mass with equivalent mass moment of inertia is I is equals to mk square. K is equals to square root I by m. By parallel axis theorem, we have Iaa dash is equals to Ig plus md square. Mass moment of inertia of thin plates. T is the uniform thickness of thin plate. Rho is the density. Mass moment of inertia with respect to axis AA dash contained in the plate. Iaa dash is equal to integration r square dm, where dm is equal to rho dv, dm is equal to rho t dA. Iaa dash is equal to rho multiplied by t multiplied by integration r square dA, where integration r square dA is the area moment of inertia. Therefore, mass moment of inertia of thin plates is equal to rho multiplied by t multiplied by area moment of inertia.